You tired of shitty ass quarantine hands too? We'll transform them into that. That's right. What did I use? Press-ons. Want to know how I did it? Keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah! Hey guys, so I bought these press-on nails, found them on Instagram. I've been following them for a while. They are the easiest press-on nail process ever. Instructions are on the back. I'm going to do the long-term use, and this is my first time using press-ons. So easy instructions, all you need is glue. For the short-term use, all you need is adhesives. So this is what came in the package, and they're called pop-off nails. And I purchased their glue in the tube, like a nail polish bottle, which is recommended. Mini buffer comes with it. Also, a mini nail file. And this stick, which I cannot remember what it's really called, to push back your cuticles. And these are the adhesives if you want to use it for short-term use, your nails, if you want to like keep them off just for a few days. So first, before anything, we're going to learn how to measure your nails before you do anything, before you even purchase them. So this is how I did it. I took a piece of tape, clear tape preferred. I'm going to place the tape over my finger. You can only do one hand unless you have freakishly weird size hands. You're going to mark the widest part of your finger with a pen. Simple. You're going to pull off, get a tape measure, and you are going to put the tape on the tape measure, and you are going to measure it in centimeters. Whatever size your nail is, you write that down, and you repeat the step for every finger. And that's how I measured my nails. I had to do custom because the ones that they had, of course, weren't going to fit me. Next, we're going to prep our nails. I just have paper towel just in case there are any accidents. The main reason I'm doing this is because the winter has been super harsh on my nails. My nails have been splitting. They've been splitting really low. I mean, that always happens to me, but it's been happening more often. So when that happens, I like to get nails, either acrylic or, in this case, I'm doing press-ons, because it'll help my nail to grow out and I won't have to worry about splitting it. I'm an idiot. So what I'm doing is I'm filing my nails down, and my nails were already short, so I just cut whatever nails were a little bit long. I'm starting from scratch, filing them down super low, and that way all of my nails could grow out evenly when they do. Boom. So I'm taking this clipper. This came in a little set that I already had, and I am just like cutting away like dead skin or whatever away from my cuticles, and making sure everything is super clean. And yeah, got you again. Then after that, you're gonna wash your hands with soap, or you're going to take alcohol and wet that area of your nails to take off all the oils. And you're going to push back your cuticles. Be very careful when you do this. And this is just going to make for a easier nail application, and also so you don't get the glue on your skin. After that, we're just buffing the nails, and you're going to use the softest side of the buffer, not the most coarse side. You don't want to damage your nail bed, so be careful. buff your nails, and then brush off the excess dust. Easy, right? Now for the actual nail application. So we have our glue, which I recommend the one in the bottle. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. Like, she customized these nails perfectly. And I'm putting a thin layer on the nail. And also what I forgot to do is put a thin layer on your actual nail too. And you're going to hold and press that on for 10 to 20 seconds. And repeat. Simple. Super simple. I think it took me like 5 minutes to do each hand. And remember to hold for 10 to 20 seconds. You could also don't forget. Oh yeah, this happened. Oh my god, I was so freaked out when this happened. I was like, oh my god, I ruined the nails, but I didn't. A little bit of glue just dripped on one nail. I was able to get that off and salvage it. But don't forget to also put a thin layer of glue on your actual nail and the press on. And you have to work fast because it does dry fast. It does. So yes, don't mind the ash. My hands are dry and everything because I washed my hands. I stripped all the oil off of my skin. So don't worry about that for now. Your hands are going to be dry for the time being until you finish. So now we're doing the next hand, and we are repeating everything that we did on the first hand. It is super easy and simple, and don't forget a layer on the press on, a layer on your nail, a thin layer, and that's gonna like give you like a double strength hold, I feel like. So I didn't do that the first time. I forgot, but I'm telling you guys so you don't forget and you remember. So again, these are pop-off nails, and I've been following them a while, and I found them on Instagram, and they are black owned, so support all your black owned businesses. And just like that, oh, the name of these nails are Sugar Mama. That's the set that I got. So I'm going to moisturize my hands now with some extra virgin coconut oil. I'm going to mix it with this body oil, and I'm taking some water, and the water helps to seal in the moisture, and I like that combination. And after doing that, your hands are super hydrated, and that's it. Like, so easy. So if you guys love this tutorial and you want more of these tutorials, maybe, you know, give a like, thumbs up, click the notification bells, and just let me know in the comments if you love it. So easy, and they last for about 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!